Continuing with our Browning A5 maintenance series, in this video we'll be covering proper cleaning starting with the barrel. To start, you'll need a shotgun cleaning rod, the appropriate gauge brushes, mops, or patches, and a suitable cleaning solvent. Most of the time, a standard solvent like Hoppy's No. 9 will be all you need. Begin by running a solvent-soaked patch or mop down the bore and let it sit for a few minutes as directed to loosen things up. Next, run the brush back and forth through the bore to scrub out any fouling. Follow this with a few solvent-soaked patches to wipe everything out. Then run a clean, dry patch through and see how it looks. If the patch shows signs of carbon, you'll want to repeat the procedure until the patches come out relatively clean. With the bore clean, use a nylon brush and Hoppies to give the barrel extension a thorough scrubbing and follow up with Q-tips if necessary. Next, we'll move on to the trigger group. For regular cleaning and maintenance, it's not necessary to disassemble the trigger group, nor is it recommended by the factory. So, we'll simply use an aerosol cleaner like TCE or gun scrubber and give it a good brushing. We'll give it another spraying to rinse everything out and set it aside to dry. Moving on to the receiver, we'll again use our aerosol spray and nylon brush to loosen the debris, followed by an oily rag to wipe out the interior. While we're here, we'll also be sure to wipe down the outside of the magazine tube. And with that, we can set aside the receiver and move on to the bolt. Like the rest of the parts, we'll again give the bolt assembly a generous spraying, followed by a vigorous brushing, being sure to clean under the bar link and locking block. With everything thoroughly brushed, we'll give it another generous spraying and set it aside to dry. As a final step, wipe down all the smaller parts like the carrier, recoil system rings, and the spring to remove any dirt or fouling. With the gun now cleaned, in our next video, we'll cover lubrication before final reassembly.